So we'll start. Yesterday we have finished the relation of voltage and current for the delta connection, where the phasor diagram and equations of current equations and voltage equations, all the things we have already discussed here now. So all of you have note down the formulas of those both derivations. Have taken the
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
okay. So power equation for the both star connection and delta connection we have to derive now here now. So we know that one, the total power consumed for the three-phase supply we are discussing here. So three-phase power supply, three-phase supply we are discussing means total power consumed equal to per phase power consumed into three. How many phases are there? Three phases are there. Yes, three phases
Yes,
are
sir.
there. So 3 into power consumed by each phase of the load here now. For R phase one load is there, for Y phase one load is there, for B phase also one load is there. So three phases are there. 3 into power consumed by each phase of the load. Why we are using 3 here now? Because it is a balanced system. In the balanced system, all the load should be, all phase load should be equal, balanced here now. R load का same रहते, Y load का और B load, all loads are same only. We have to balance that one. For the balanced condition, any one phase with load we have to add here into 3. We can do that one here now. So power consumed by each phase of the load, 3 into each phase load here now. So phase one phase we have to use here now, 3 into any one phase power consumed by any one phase here now. So total power consumed P I will write here now, P 3 as it is. So power consumed by one phase, VPH IPH cos pi, we can write that one. For the single phase, power equation is VI cos pi. Yes, we already
Yes,
know
sir.
that one. For the single phase, the power equation is VI cos phi is there. But here three phases are there. So phase voltage is different, phase current is different, line current is different. For that reason, what I will do, VPH IPH cos phi. One phase, I will consider that one here. So we'll write here for the, if it is a delta connection, if we are deriving for the delta connection, then P equal to VPH will keep as it is here now, because in a delta connection VPH equal to
PL.
VL. So IPH equal to IL by root 3 here now. So IPH equal to IL by root 3. So cos phi I'll keep as it is. So 3 divided by root 3 is root 3. This 3 we can
Okay.
write as root 3 into root 3 divided by root 3. One root 3 will get cancelled. One root 3 will be kept as it is here now. We already know that one VPH equal to VL in a delta connection. So we can keep this one as it is here now. So this IL as it is, cos phi here now. If it is delta connection, suppose if it is a star connected, in the star connection IPH equal to IPH equal to IL, this VPH equal to VL by root 3 आ जाएगा. So it doesn't matter it is a star connected or delta connected. The final equation we are going to get, this is the final equation we are going to get for the power equation. We are going to get this final equation here now. This is the final equation. We are going to get this one. P equal to root 3 VL IL cos phi is the final power equation here now. Final power equation. Here it follows for any balanced star or delta connected load. So total three phase power equal to root 3 into line voltage into line current into power factor. We can call that one here. Cos phi is the power factor. Na?
Yes, sir.
So power factor, that is the power with balanced load, we can say this one here. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next, similarly, we have just now we have discussed active power, that is power. We have discussed here now active power. Similarly, we can discuss the reactive power. reactive power Q equal to root 3 into VPH IPH sine phi. We can write down here
Yes, sir.
reactive power also, because the single phase reactive power is VI sine phi. So in
Sine
the
phi.
place V place में VPH, I place में IPH. Here three phase के लिए लिख रहे हैं, उसके लिए multiplication of 3 we have used here. No. Similarly, delta connection they have applied here. No. In the delta connection, VPH equal to VL and IPH equal to IL by root 3. Sine phi will keep as it is here. No. 3 divided by root 3 is root 3. VL IL sine phi here. No. That is a reactive power, we can say that one. Reactive power, we can say that one. Next, similarly, apparent power. What is the single phase apparent power equation?
VI.
VI. So here three phase we are using 3 into VI. VI is nothing but VPH into IPH here. No? So in the IPH place, IL by root 3 we consider here. No? So the final equation we are going to get S equal to root 3 VL IL is the final equation of the apparent power. Apparent power we are going to consider here. So it completes the both the relations of voltage and current in star connection and delta connection here. So it is almost complete here now. If anyone have any doubts related to this, it completes the unit. Chapter complete हो गया अभी. So later extra things we are going to discuss now. So इसमें किसी को भी कुछ डाउट है तो पूछ सकते हैं अभी. From starting to for if it started to here, if you have any doubts, you can ask now. किसी को कुछ डाउट है क्या? Anyone
No,
have the
sir.
no doubts? Okay. So then we will go for the comparison. Comparison of delta connection to star connection. We'll do some comparison. So I will ask some comparison, some questions I will ask. You have to give the answer about that. Simple, just voltage equation, current equation, and all the things I'm going to ask over there. You have to give the formula. Randomly, I will ask. Randomly, I will ask. Roll number 2. Roll number 2.
Yes, sir.
In a star connection, IL equal to what? In a star connection, tell me the formula for line current. Roll number 2.
IL is equal to IPH.
IPH means क्या है वो? IL means what? IPH means what? उसमें लाइन करंट
Line
कौन?
voltage and voltage.
लाइन, come once again.
Line current and phase voltage.
लाइन करंट इक्वल टू फेज वोल्टेज हो जाएगा क्या? I means what? I means what?
Current.
Then
Current.
वोल्टेज कैसे हो गए उधर?
Line current. Line current is equal to phase current.
Who is there with you? कौन है आपके साथ में?
कोई भी नहीं सर.
कोई तो बोल रहे हैं ना?
नहीं सर.
ठीक है. So that is line current equal to phase current is the correct answer. Next, roll number 39. Roll number 39.
Yes sir.
In a delta connection, can you tell me the line voltage formula? What is the formula for the line voltage? Or line voltage equal to what? You first. Roll number 39.
Phase voltage.
Phase voltage. Roll number 54.
Yes, sir.
In a delta connection, can you tell me the line current formula? Line current equal to what? Roll number 54. Roll number 47. Roll number 47. Roll number 40. 40.
Yes, sir.
Tell me the line current formula in delta connection. See, whenever I will ask the question, you have to give the reply. For that reason only, I told you people's dictation I have stopped, but you have to note down the formulas. This 5 marks question will come on this chapter. That is completely depends on the formulas only. If you know the formula, then only we can get 5 marks over there here. So next we'll discuss about that one, comparison of current and voltage for star and delta connection here now. This is the current. So here I have not written anything here now. So the line current for the star ko line current kya hoga? IL equal to IPH, and the unit of this line current and phase current equal to ampere, and symbol is A we have used here. Next, for the line voltage for the star connection, it is VL equal to VPH by root 3. Line voltage equal to phase current divided by root 3. Some people, you may get confused here. L indicates that is line. PH indicates that is phase. So
Current.
I indicates current. I indicates current. I represents current. L represents line. PH represents that is phase here now. So IL is there means line current. IPH is there phase current. So VL is there. See, V indicates that is represents voltage here now. So L indicates line. PH indicates phase here now. So VL is nothing but L line voltage. VPH is nothing but phase voltage. That one you have to remember here now. Formula remember करने के बाद in the problem they will write in the detail the line current equal to this one. Line current means VL use किया तो then गया 0 marks. So star connection VL equal to VPH into root 3 or root 3 VPH, we can tell that one here now. So next, similarly for the line current in the delta is IL equal to IPH into root 3 or root 3 IPH, and VL equal to VPH, we are going to call that one here. These are the simple formulas for the current and voltages for both the star and delta connection. For both star and delta connection here now. So next we'll go for the some advantages are there. What are the advantages of polyphase? Steady in power. So constant power it is going to provide here now. Less wear and tear on the lines here now. See, less wear and tear is nothing but maintenance, any problems, issues are less here now comparing to the other system here now. Fewer conductors and so more economical. Conductors कम है तो उसका cost कम बचते हैं हमको. So conductors are few, so more economical we can call that one here now. Instead of 2 conductors go and return, a 3-phase supply can transmit 3 times the power by using only 1 extra conductor here now. See, normally घर को कितना चाहिए, conductors कितना चाहिए, wires तुम्हारा घर में इलेक्ट्रिकल सप्लाई है, कितना कंडक्ट वायर आया घर को पोल से? गिव द आंसर। हेलो, सबके घर में इलेक्ट्रिकल सप्लाई है? इज इट ऑडिबल और? हाँ,
सर
सबके घर में इलेक्ट्रिकल सप्लाई है। कितना कंडक्टर्स आया है घर को? वायर कितना आया है? पोल से कितना वायर लिए?
1.
1
1। एक वायर से लैंप सॉरी बल्ब होते क्या, रन होते क्या आपके घर को?
नो सर,
फिर एक वायर, हाँ,
टू वायर्स,
कौन सा है वो?
न्यूट्रल और
एक फेज एक न्यूट्रल, 2 वायर्स रहते है ना, 2 वायर्स रहते। अभी सबका घर को 2 ही वायर चाहिए। ऑल कमर्शियल रेजिडेंशियल हाउसेस, एक मिनट,